those who fight the good fight on the streets, this is for you. If only Brother Low-Key could show me how to stop my faith making me feel so isolated and lonely. If only Muslim Bilal could tell me if the beats I make could get away with being halal. If only Native Dean could show me what America really means with this new world order. If only Muslims would judge my intentions and not my actions. If only the hardcore brothers could vibe to my flow and not place on me such difficult sanctions. If only difference of opinion could unite us and not divide us, then we'd be good to go. If only Malcolm could have fulfilled his mission. If only NATO had a Muslim vision and the UN had a real war crimes prison. And if only Gaza still mattered as much after all the news and aid had been given. If only my people woke up. If only our leaders spoke up. If only our leaders were true leaders and not the pawns of altogether more sinister corporate creatures. If only Wu-Tang lost a percentage. If only Saudi came to its senses. If only our communities saw our true struggles. If only the credit crunch had truly burst the Wall Street bubble. If only Bin Laden weren't real. If only the Taliban had heard gangsters mass appeal. If only the Sunni and Shia kissed and made up. If only a fatwa could have really stopped Bush. If only I had not grabbed this mic and just kept shush. If only extremism was just surrealism dressed as a Bedouin man. If only we had the truth behind 9/11 in the palm of the people's collective hand. If only the X in the box weren't for some expenses claiming Fox. If only the media reported real news and not the political ambitions of their owners and their neocon views. If only Dizzy took Shahada. If only I could get Paxman to interview Osama. If only I could vouch for that humble African living somewhere inside of Obama. If only the CI of A just went away and the F and the B waved goodbye to the I. If only MI had less 5 and stopped trying to buy off brothers. If only the other MI had less than 6 and knew what the English for intifada actually is. If only peace was achievable and democracy believable. If only human rights gave people their freaking rights. If only the world stopped revolving around all this useless shh for just one day. If only that could happen, we might just find a way. If only. If only. This is dedicated to the people of conviction.